We first see how to install MySQL, that will actually MySQL Workbench, that will work on. Okay, so let's first install this. Let's see how to install it. Okay, so we'll go to Chrome and search Google MySQL Workbench, and then we'll go to the download section, and here we see installer file, which is 64-bit MSI installer. We will download it because I have already installed this in my computer. I am not downloading it. Okay, so and another software we need, which is XAMPP. We need this to build a connection or to build a server. Okay, so we need to install XAMPP as well. So we need to simply install this one, this 149 MB. Download this one. Okay, this is easy. So after completing the download process, we'll go to our directory, and here we'll find these two installers. So first we'll install MySQL Workbench. So here, since I have already installed it, so there are no like option to install it, but you will get some thing, and you will just need to click next, and everything positive you should click. Okay, and then it will install the file or the Workbench tool. Okay, and then you need to install XAMPP window. So you need to click on yes, and then you need to click OK, and then next, and next, and next, and then install. Okay, so this is showing that the selected folder is not empty. Please select a different folder. Since I have already this in my computer, so this is warning message that you have already this one. So I am not like need of this, need of to install it. So you guys should do it. Okay, should install it to work in the to work with MySQL Workbench. So now let's open our Workbench file. So this is the interface, our Workbench. Now we need to proceed further, we need to create a connection here. So let's build a connection. The connection name is let's say SQL tutorial. Here tutorial. Okay, and the port is 3306, which is a default port, and then the username also is as default as root. Okay, and then now we are gonna test connection. So before doing this, we need to run our server. Okay, that will where our database will be like stored, right? So we need to open XAMPP, and we need to like this is now open. So by default it will be stopped. So we need to start those Apache server and MySQL server. So this is also 3306 port, right? So this will help us to create a connection. So if we now click on test connection, let's continue anyway, and then successfully meet the connection, right? Then click OK. So a new connection has built up. Now open this connection, and here this is our like query interface. We'll write query here, implement query to perform data analysis, either data analysis or to fetch data from databases.